Hello home bakers and welcome to Drmummycakes channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I trim my cakes. If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is all about beginners learning how to make and decorate amazing cakes. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now and make sure you turn on all the notifications so that you know as soon as I post every video. Now, I don't always trim my cakes, but certain circumstances I like to trim my cakes. Now, for the larger cake sizes like this, my cake pan is actually not straight, so my cakes come out quite slopey. So you can see that it'd be very difficult to decorate this with buttercream or with ganache because the sides are not straight. So in this circumstances, trimming helps. So the tool that I use is a serrated bread knife. You can use your standard bread knife. Just make sure that it has a serrated edge because that would allow you to use a sawing motion to gently trim your cakes. You can buy specialist cake trimming knives, but I find for home bakers like us, that's not necessary. Now, the key thing when trimming is you want to put your knife flat against your cake and make sure that your knife is held up straight, and then you just use a gentle sewing up and down motion and gently trim off. I always say it's better to do this in stages. If you need to take off some more, then you can do it in stages. However, if you're too vigorous and take off too much, you cannot put it back. So as you can see, I'm using that sawing motion. I'm making sure that my cake knife is held firmly against the cake and straight. And I'm just doing that gently. It's useful to have like a baking tin or a tray underneath to catch the bits that you trim off. And if you have a turntable, then this will make it much easier to trim because you can just swivel your turntable as you trim. And that's basically how to trim a cake. You have to be patient and don't rush the process. Go through it step by step, making sure that you have the right technique, and before you know it, you'll have a nicely trimmed cake. So that is how to trim a cake. Now you know how to do it, you can do this at home. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, I would really love it if you could subscribe. I post a new video every week and you don't want to miss out. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you next time. Happy baking!